This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove a text box border in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project that I'm working on here. As you can see on my page here, I have a text box, and this text box has a border around it. To remove a text box's border or change it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is select the text box. I'm going to click on it to select it. I have it selected, the bounding boxes around it. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, and you have a few different options. This one here, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says border dash. If you click on that, you can change from a straight line to a dotted line or dashes. The next icon over is border weight. If you click on that, you can change the weight of the border. And the next icon over is border color. Now you can change the color of the border by choosing any one of these, but if you want to remove it, you want to click on None. Now as you can see, my text box no longer has a border. If I have it selected, it'll have a little blue border around it just to show you where it's at. But once I click off of it, the border disappears. That is how to remove a text box border in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.